Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by cleaning what you already have. This makes design choices meaningful. First, hide duplicate or unused calendars and confirm your primary calendar is set as default. Then pick a single, calm default color for new events so mixed palettes don't clash. Once done, adjust your time zone and working hours so events align visually. Make sure to disable seldom used calendar layers and old integrations. That reduces clutter and speeds up subsequent styling steps. Now refine the visual hierarchy so you can scan your schedule fast. Assign consistent color groups, one color for work, another for personal, and a muted tone for tasks. That contrast helps recognition. Next, standardize event titles with short prefixes like meet, call, or task. This keeps rows tidy. Once done, lock a default calendar view, day, week, or schedule, and adjust density and font size in settings so entries neither crowd nor waste space. Finish by polishing practical touches that make the calendar pleasant to use. Enable keyboard shortcuts and save event templates for recurring types. This accelerates consistency. Next, sync and preview the layout on phone and tablet, then tweak colors or compactness as needed. Mobile often reveals spacing issues. If events overlap or disappear, check time zone mismatches and permission conflicts first, because those are the usual culprits. If problems persist, reset a single calendar layer to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.